Yes.
How did I get it right?
Your 3?
No, I think mine is wrong. Yeah, mine is wrong because it was a positive 12. Let me redo this.
I agree with it.
Uh-oh. Okay?
Oh.
And I've got about 4 different answers.
Stop it. You just changed mine.
10 people got your answer and I believe would have got this.
Negative 12?
My God.
That's a 30, not a 3.
Alright, is it safe to say that somebody's wrong?
Yes.
Alright,
I think it's
so
I know it's me.
this right here basically is everything we talked about yesterday, right? What's the first thing that we have to do here? Distribute. What does distribute mean?
Multiply.
Multiply. Alright, so some conversations and some things that I've seen. I'm going to first start over here because that's the easiest side. I'm going to multiply 3 times x and 3 times negative 6, yes?
Yes.
Right here. I can't put anything together. I can't add things. I can't put anything together. You've got to get rid of the parentheses. This is a negative 3. The sign in front of the number goes with the number.
Oops.
Some things that I see happen is they don't see the negative 3, or they'll distribute the negative 3 to the 2x, but they won't distribute the negative 3 to the negative 4. So that's some things that I saw yesterday. The light bulb just went off. You saw something. You did, Michaela. You did. That's what teachers want to see. That's what we want to see. There's nothing wrong with that. All right. So my first thing, negative 3 times 2x is negative 6x, and negative 3 times a negative 4 is a positive 12. 3 times x is 3x, and 3 times negative 6 is negative 18. That's what we should have first.
Yeah, that's what I have.
Yes?
Me too. Yes.
If we don't have that, there's our mistake.
Oh, actually,
Okay?
that.
I want everybody to put their pencil down. I'm about to show you something. I don't want you doing this. This is a bad habit that I see. I see this.
Hmm?
What did I do wrong? What? I can't do it twice, right? What you do on one side, you do to the other. You don't do it 2 or 3 times on a side. So yesterday, there was a step. And I think that's the most crucial step. So what I've done all day long is I've boxed in my variables. I've boxed in my variables.
Yes.
Right? I boxed in the variables because that's what y'all are used to seeing, right? We're used to seeing the boxes. Right? What I ultimately want is I want a box and a number. A box, it sounds so kindergartenish. But the reason I have a box is because what's in my box? X. Right? What do I have over here? How many boxes? 2. Can I put those 2 boxes together?
Yes.
Why?
They're both
Because they're the
X's.
same, right? They're like terms. So what is 8x minus 6x? 2x plus 12 equals 3x minus 18.
That's what I did.
That's what I want to see. That's where I see people not doing. I don't see them combining like terms. I see them start moving stuff. And things get discombobulated. And that's where the confusion starts. I want to move the smallest x. What's my smallest x? 2x. How do I move it? Why am I subtracting it?
Because the
Opposite.
It's the opposite. Right? Now guess what? I have now a 7th grade math problem. And I don't care what kind of math you took last year. Everybody in here can solve
That's why I
7th grade.
messed up.
Right? Another thing that I see is I'm not going to subtract 12. I don't want my 12 and my x's over here. I want them to be isolated, right? I want to separate them. So I'm going to add 18, add 18. So my final answer would be x is 30. Do you want me to look at it really quick and see where you made your mistake?
Good job.
Where did you make your mistake?
Good job.
Where'd you make your mistake?
For one, like, I forgot to distribute it.
Okay,
I had to load out.
okay.
And then,
It's still red.
I knew I was
You
supposed to
changed
add
in
them
2 seconds
together,
already.
like, the things, but
I can see you,
Alright.
Maya.
But something, I want to go back to yesterday, and I want to talk about what my answer is, right? So say my answer was 6. I want to take this side. This is that side. Guess what's going to go in this parenthesis? 6, right? That's the answer you got, or that's the answer of what you got, 2/3. Whatever you got, that's what would go in there. You would put that in Desmos in line 1, and guess what you get? You get a number, right? Then I go to my other side, and I go to the next line in Desmos, and I put that in Desmos. Guess what goes in there? 6, or whatever, 2/3, whatever you got, right? And that's going to give me a number. What should both of those numbers be? They should be the same. And if they're not the same, guess what? 6 is wrong. 2/3 is wrong. That's how you work backwards. Questions or comments?
No.
Go to that one right there.
Which one?
This, no, not the last one. This one right here.
Okay.
What do you see in there that's different? Why? Can I make that Y and X?
Yes.
Yeah, absolutely.
Like that.
Absolutely. So guess what Ms. Wright's going to do? I'm going to put it in X. What's the first thing we have to do?
Distribute.
We have to distribute. I'm going to distribute 4 to what?
X.
I'm going to distribute to the X, and I'm going to distribute to the -3. Am I going to distribute that 4 to 19?
No.
Why not?
It's not in the parentheses.
I'm going to come to the other side, and I'm going to distribute what? 8. I'm going to distribute 8 to everything in the parentheses. Am I going to distribute the 8 to the 7?
No.
You have 30 box things in. What do you notice that I have on each side? I have numbers, right? Can I put those numbers together?
Yes.
I am not moving a number. I am not doing this. Everybody's pencils down. Pencils down. Pencils down.
Sit down.
Pencils down. I am not doing this. I see people doing this, and they're drawing lines. I'm not doing this. The only time that I make something the opposite, the inverse, is when I'm taking something from over here and putting it over here. I am not changing the balance of this equation. I am not, right? Because as long as it's on one side, if it's like terms, I can put them together. As long as it's on one side and it has like terms, I can put it together. You have 30 seconds, go do me the next row. Yep. Go do, no. Right, stop right there.
Yes.
Explain to us how you got to 7.
I did -12 plus 19.
-12 plus 19. Destiny, do you agree? Yes? Destiny, give me this side. She has 4x, and then she added -12 plus 19, and that's how she got that 7. And I asked you, did you agree? You say yes. Now come over here. What'd you get? Perfect. 16. You have 1 minute, go solve it.
Please, double ready. My elbow buddy's not being helpful.
This is what I don't see.
What are we? I got -2.
I know.
We're doing the freaking
That's what I don't see.
this.
We're still doing it?
We're trying to plug that
But
in.
sometimes when we have it up
Oh,
here, we need to process it on.
I got -1.
This is the difference between being commended and not commended.
Sorry, I wasn't
And Trinity, you are well above.
When there's negatives in math, that makes me want to be negative.
Commended is
You are
being missing less than
Positive.
12.
Oopsie. Ew, that's your line.
I'm gonna cry.
Okay.
I'm gonna cry.
Okay, buddy. I got it right.
I got negative 33.
See?
What did you do?
Yeah.
Wait, what did you do?
Wait,
what did you get? How'd you plug it in?
No. Guys, you cannot combine anything. Look, that's a really good question that Trinity had. No, that's good. I've heard that in every class. That's a common thing. Right? Look, right here. Can I combine these two before I distribute? No. No. Before you do anything, you have to distribute. That's like order of operation. You do that first.
This one?
We're not slow. We're just not rapid.
Are you stupid?
Negative 0.25 times 12 is negative 3. But negative
Close
0.25
one.
times negative 18
Okay.
is a
Two?
2x.
What problem are you doing?
Estimate.
Okay.
This is what
I guess
Sorry.
6 4. I guess
That right there is
Leave me. I need you here with me. Don't tell me. You ruined
no
my
many
song.
guys. Wait, no way. Who goes to
Alright, as I walk around the room,
This
most
one right
everybody
here.
at least got one. At least.
Oh my god.
Some people got more than one. Right? Jade, how many did y'all get?
One.
Okay. What was the problem? This is PFA 3. I'm
Wait,
just
what's
trying
the
to figure
problem?
out what's going on. Or did we make mistakes over there?
It's cause like
I am a mistake.
I don't know what I did on the second one.
Well, what did your elbow partner help you with?
She ain't help.
Does everybody look at the last question on the back?
I got negative
But she told me
7.5.
not to look at her like that. I don't know how I look at her.
Don't look at me like that. Don't you look at me like that.
Alright. A rectangle has a length of blah inches and a width of blah inches. A
Lot.
triangle has a base of blah inches and a height of blah inches. The area in square inches of the rectangle is equal to the area in square inches of the triangle. What is the value of x? What are we trying to do? Find the value of x. What does find the value of x mean?
Solve for x.
What'd you say?
Solve for x.
So if I solve for x, what do I need? I need an equation. Do I have an equation? Where's my equation at? In the what? Do you see the equation? No. What do you see? Words and numbers, right? So, we know we need to solve an equation because it says what is the value of x, right? So, goes with like PFA 4, writing linear equations. I want to underline the most important piece of this entire thing. Oh, and I hope you drink.